Here's another interesting or noteworthy little section at the FIU Palmetum, and this is actually adjacent to the Palmetum. The Palmetum is down that way, but last time I was here I noticed there were Schizophylla and queen palms, Romanzophiana, together, and they seem pretty aggressive about trimming the flowers off of all the palms. Not all of them. I saw some fruit on a Cocothrynax, so they do spare some, I guess, hopefully to pass the seeds around. But anyway, to get to a point, okay, so here's an emerging inflorescence on Schizophylla. But it would be neat to see, oh, and there's a deceased Schizophylla. It'd be interesting to see, is it Extostana, I think is the cross? I was trying to think while I was, okay, here, I just made a liar out of myself, which is good. Here's some seed. And hopefully whoever curates or attends to these things, there may be a chance that some of those could be those. I believe, again, it might be Extostana. But anyway, all right, so I'll go over to the conservatory, and that'll be the last segment. And I'll, you know, it'll be too late, but I'm probably going to make this a two-part series, but that will be a non-issue when you watch the video. I'm just thinking out loud. So I'm trying to decide which way to get to the conservatory. Anyway, we'll stop here and pick up at the conservatory. I made it over to the, I didn't know the name prior to this, but it's the Wertheim Conservatory. And unfortunately, it is empty and devoid of almost all plant life, save for that vine over there, whatever the heck that is. So this is odd. But you can see sort of just the guts of it, I guess. There was a pond in there. There used to be a huge chocolate tree in here, and I took a lot of videos here a few years ago, and I just never uploaded them. Some of them were shite, so but some of them were decent, so I'll mix them in. Kind of a bummer though. The chocolate tree, I think, was like right in this corner, and it was massive. So I don't know. I guess maybe there was a disease outbreak in here and there, or they're just renovating it. So who knows? But maybe when I come back another time, it'll be in its glory again or whatever. So, all right. Well, there's a sort of rather anticlimactic end to the FIU tour. If you are aware of what they're doing in here, you come upon this video, you can let us know in the comments. That would be great. I'm sure they're up to good things. I mean, they look like they're doing work in there. So anyway, so we'll stay tuned for this and see what comes down the road. Here's just a quick nugget. This is their research greenhouse, excuse me, and much like the conservatory, I believe they're in between, and it is late May, so maybe there's not much going on, but I'll sort of sneak, we'll be nosy, and so there's a lot of sort of dead stuff there and some seedlings being started there. So yeah, maybe they're in between fits of planty stuff, research and growing and all that. So anyway, we'll check back in down the road, but thanks for, if you're still watching this, joining me in this exploration of FIU's Palmetum, Arboretum, Conservatory Complex, absent plants. And so I'm going to head to the Gifford Arboretum, and you know, time doesn't matter on these videos, but I'm heading there next to do a bunch of stuff on the University of Miami campus. So that hopefully will be in the succession of videos I'm about to upload. So, all right, and that doesn't make any sense time-wise, but oh, here's a strawberry tree. It looks like. What is that? Muntingia calabra? Yeah, that's a strawberry tree. Okay, so we'll end on that high note there with a strawberry tree. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.